So today I'm going to be taking apart the Glock 22. One of my all-time favorites. This is a Gen 2. The recovery rail on it, due to the Glock 22 not having a rail system. San Antonio Police Department. Bought this one at a pawn shop. I think I gave like $5.50 for it. Pretty good gun sense. Had to get the hoe grip for it because that grip is just slippery as wow. It's just bad. Comes with a 15-round magazine. Yeah, I got a aftermarket back plate for it, or mag, whatever it's called. I don't remember what it's called. I got the matching back plate though. Yeah. So let's get to it. Comes apart just like any other Glock. First, let's make sure it's empty. Don't look like there's nothing in there. Alright, so then you just dry fire it. I like to push back like this with my hand and grab the back sight, pull back just slightly. Now it's got these two pins on both sides. You want to push those down, which is pretty easy. Hold on. And then you release it, and it'll slide right off. Oh, we got caught here. Hold on. Okay, so that's your inside. Pretty nice. And this is all you really got to do to clean it. Take it down this far. Ooh, she's pretty dirty. Should do a video on how to clean it. So to put it together, you do exactly what you did to take it apart. Put your barrel back in there. Oh wait, got a hair in there. Let's get that out of there. All right, let's go. And just put it back on the rail. Slide it up to the back. That's how you do it. Pretty easy. Like and subscribe for more. Go ahead.